Greetings from Stockholm, more specifically from Sköndal, and this Sol Dreviken on this 5th of March 2026. It is 9 degrees Celsius in the air, but the lake is still frozen, as you can see, and only one tiny bit of ice hole to get into the water. This is Lake Dreviken, and I have officially opened the bike season or bicycle season, depending on where you are and how you say it. It was quite a while since I took my bike for beach adventures, so it was time, because the roads are now clean, especially the cycling roads, but in the natures it is very muddy still. As I was exploring a bit here around to find a spot, and it was very muddy and also icy at some parts, despite being 9 degrees Celsius and sunny. Yes, I didn't take the thermometer once again, but it should be somewhere between 0 and 2 degrees Celsius in the water. And this is my third beach adventure of 2026. And it is in Sköndal, that is basically short of nice valley. I actually came here earlier, and then there was one person that wanted to go first, and he said that it's gonna take long. So he was in the water for maybe half an hour, but without dipping his head, because the most difficult part for me actually it is the head. The body itself, it can accommodate to this to the temperatures, especially the body, the main part of the body. Yeah, the Scott is ready for more beach adventures soon, and I need to find some more spots where the lake is a bit frozen and there has been a nice hole made as well. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to go live for the jury rehearsal of the Melodifestivalen. So the real show is on Saturday, but I bought tickets for the jury rehearsal, which is exactly the same show, minus the actual voting part. And I'm so excited to see live all of the acts, and my favorite is Felicia, my system. Hope it wins for Sweden. And now off we go with a ice dip here in Sköndal on this 5th of March. It is beautiful indeed. Brilliant, right? All right, so off we go. Steady and slowly, so the body can adapt gradually. Ooh, it's cold, I'm not gonna lie. It's very cold, but it is what it is. Okay. It's so cold. It's so cold. Ooh. All right. All right. Ready, set, and so refreshing. It's so refreshing and so satisfying at the same time, but also very special indeed. It's beautiful. I can't believe it, I made it. I can't believe it, I made it. Another beach adventure in the books, and my legs are freezing, so let's get out slowly and steadily. Ooh, very nice. It's absolutely breathtaking. I'm not gonna lie. Cold and gold at the same time. So yeah, that is a wrap from this ice dip in this winter wonderland that is soon to be spring here in Sköndal. Nice valley. And now it's time for Chris to get dressed and to cycle back home, but enjoy this wonderful view of Lake Dreviken and Sköndal. Cheers!